I'm Les Martin, and I'm the Director of Operations for Lely North America here at our Pella facility.
Andy Porcelain. I am in charge of procurement and engineering here for Lely North America.
So we are in the automation business. Currently, in this facility, we build a robotic milking piece of equipment. Our equipment will milk 60 cows 24/7. And then we produce the central unit, which M3 Fab plays a big role in.
I would say our relationship with Lely is special because of the product. They have some processes that go into their product that aren't very common, and we've kind of learned and adapted to be able to do those processes in-house.
Actually, interesting story. M3 Fab actually came to us. Typically, we have suppliers just show up at our door. The cool thing about M3 Fab is they called first.
And they were at kind of a shared campus, a lot smaller facility, pre-building their new facility, and just kind of getting off the ground here in North America too.
They were a fairly new company, just like we were here in North America. So the companies really seemed to mesh together, not only with capabilities, but just the timing of it.
They're a good customer of ours because to be a good vendor, I think you have to have a good customer relationship. You got to get feedback, good, bad. Having somebody that, wants a good quality product, wants to build a long-term relationship, not just a eBay style of, cheapest bid now gets it, then switch back and forth, actually wants us to grow with them is pretty special.
If I could sum it up in one word, I would say easy. They're a great company to work with. They're very responsive.
We have a high quality standard in a product line that's different than most people in the Midwest. They do a great job with, and they're open to trying those types of things.
I think the future's bright for Lely and M3. I think we'll continue to work together. I think we've got a great relationship together, and I don't foresee their product not succeeding in the future.
We've got customers that are depending on our equipment, so that way they can keep milking their cows. So having that responsiveness and being easy to work with is huge for us.